Hello everyone, welcome to the third video of Solidworks part design. This is practice problem 1.3 and we'll be starting with this design. Now again, no new feature has to be learned compared to the previous ones. Over here, as you can see, front view and top view, it's most idealistic to start with the top view. Let's begin. This is our workbench, file, new, and we'll take a via part. Let's go to sketch and start with the top plane. This is what our design is going to look like. Now, these are fixated onto the origin, but these two have to be in line. So we'll take one line, which is for construction, join these two, and make this horizontal. We'll take one more line over here and a line over here. So there are two new constraints we'll be using that we haven't used before. Choose this point and this circle by pressing Shift and make them coincident. Then choose this and do the same. Now make these line and circle tangent and the same in this case. Do this for the other line as well. All right. Now let's start giving the dimensions. This is 38, 26. The difference between this circle and this is 6. So this will become 32. And this is R9, which means the radius of this curve is 9. So this automatically becomes 18. We're done with this, and what we're going to do next is start with the extrude feature. This is where we use the front view. The first major circle is going to be extruded at 14 mm. Selected contours, 14 mm. Sketch extruded base. This is going to be 6 mm. Selected contours. And this is 24 mm. And as you can see, our model over here is completed. Let's confirm this by checking the volume, evaluate, mass properties, and the volume is 16,267, 16,268, which is roughly the same. So our model is correct. Thank you guys, and stay tuned for the next part.